How to fix Instagram followers decreasing. I found a really informative article on ManyChat.com, so let's get through it and see if this can fix your issue. 11 reasons you're losing Instagram followers and how to fix it. 1. Paid for followers. The fix: stop buying followers. 2. Follow for follow schemes. The fix: focus on natural Instagram growth tactics. 3. Automated likes and comments. The fix: make time for real engagement with your community. 4. Confusing brand image. The fix: curate your Instagram brand. 5. Low engagement. The fix: engage more and create your own community. 6. Inconsistent posting schedule. The fix: find a schedule that works and stick to it. 7. Too much promotional content. The fix: strike a balance between organic and promotional content. 8. Irrelevant or low quality content. The fix: focus on quality, not quantity. 9. Uninspiring Instagram captions. The fix: treat your captions like a part of your community. 10. Changes in your audience. The fix: change and grow with your audience or attract a new one. 11. Deletion of fake accounts. The fix: continue to focus on your Instagram strategy. So this is how to fix Instagram followers decreasing. If you liked this video and if it was helpful, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.